Welcome to Glass in 60 Seconds. Today, Kevin is here with me to talk about how do you make mirrors safe, especially in elevators. That's important.
It's super important,
Yeah.
absolutely. You don't want glass breaking and flying around in an elevator cab in an emergency situation. So there's a couple of different things that we can do. The easiest one is just to take that mirror and laminate it to a piece of glass. So
Okay.
now, with the layer of lamination in there, you've created a really strong piece that all holds together. If it happens to break, there's nothing flying around. You've got a really safe piece. The other thing that Goldray has done is to partner this up with an aluminum composite panel that we can apply to the back of the mirror as well. So again, we laminate that, now it becomes safety laminated glass. It gives you strength and rigidity, and for elevator installers, it makes it a lot easier for installation because now we can mount clips on the back of this, rivet them on there nice and strong, and they come in and they just hang that panel on the wall instead of having to glue it on like they might traditionally do with.
And this is light. Oh wow, it is. It's very light.
Very much so.
There's like...
So
yeah.
in an elevator cab, weight is so important, helps
Yeah.
with the speed, and then oftentimes will cap out at how much extra weight you can add when you're retrofitting an elevator. So using the aluminum instead of glass definitely helps us keep the weight down.
Okay.